Alright guys, in this video I want to show you how I made almost $4,000 within 2 hours trading Bitcoin. If you are familiar with Bitcoin price action, you will notice that Bitcoin always moves between $2,000 to $3,000 every 24 hours. So if Bitcoin was low, and then the next movement will be around $2,000 to $3,000. So I observed the market, and the market hit $61,480 from $58,500. If you subtract that, it gives you around that $3,000. So I enter a sell knowing fully well that the market will drop. So I enter a sell, two trades, and then 2 hours later I check my trading platform, which is Octa, which I will leave the link in the comment section. If you want to join Octa, you get 100% deposit bonus and other freebies that come with it. Okay, once I checked my trading platform, I noticed that we are already in profit of about $3,600. So I quickly close the trade and enter a new trade, which is a buy at that 58,900. So I will set my take profit at 60,500, and then I will enter like 3 or more trades to achieve a new target. So I've created a WhatsApp channel where I will be sharing with you my daily trade, and also a Telegram channel. So I've entered like 4 trades in this very trade to achieve more result at the end of the day. So if you want to join my platform and copy my trades, kindly click the link in the comment section and join me, the WhatsApp channel and also the Telegram channel. If you find this video interesting, hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, subscribe if you find content like this interesting to you, so that you won't miss any of our trading videos.